in Seaview. So I haven't been here for a while because I've been a bit busy. It's been a bit hectic gathering animals for my farm. So today I'm going to give you a bit of an outline of what I do in a day on a weekend.
这一次我真的睡着了。
Here we have Boris and Doris. Hey guys, I have had their breakfast this morning already, and here's Rosie. Rosie's a large black, crossed with something else, and these two little guys are Berkshires. So, hopefully one day we'll have some piglets. Hello guys. Ted gets a bit excited with the pigs. He likes to have a little play. Ted. So here's my pretty spring garden, and there's my beautiful rhododendrons. Aren't they beautiful? And we've also got lots of other flowering plants in the garden during spring. Here's Nova having a drink, and that's the she shed. My she shed. I have all my tools hanging. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my veggie patch. So today I'm going to be busy planting some seedlings from my greenhouse into the veggie patch, and I'm going to do some lettuce, potatoes and spinach. The veggie patch has got a few weeds in it at the moment. We've got some kale, spinach, cauliflower, and over here we have some raised beds, lots of cauliflowers in here, spinach. I've got some garlic growing, that'll take a little bit longer. Some more kale, some summer cauliflower, no, cabbage planted not long ago, some carrots in this one, more spinach in here, a few little herbs in that one. Carrots, so they'll be ready for picking soon. Some onions and more spinach. And that's the view from the veggie patch all the way down to Warragul. A little bit overcast today. Okay, so these are our new goats. We got these yesterday. This is Bessie. She's 2-year-old. She's a mini Nubian, so she's about 2. And this is baby Montague. But we call him Monty for short, and he's only a little baby, so he's being fed once a day on a bottle, and they're just beautiful. Hopefully one day they'll have baby mini Nubians. So in this paddock here we've got sheep. This is the top paddock. Hopefully these are going to have little lambs soon. There's 3 girls and a boy, a ram, and it's Bruce the bull. This is the orchard. Few different fruit trees here. Hopefully one day they'll provide lots of fruit, but at the moment they're just a big paddock here. We've got some speckled park, that's Malteser, and then we've got 4 speckled park girls. Hopefully one day they'll be mums when they get a little bit bigger. Happy eating grass today. So we've got the 4 speckled park, and then we've got 2 little jerseys over here. That's Janice. No, this is Jessie. Hello Jessie. They're very tame. It's Jessie and Janice. Hi Janice. I'm sorry, I feel no attraction, and now that it's been a bit, 'cause I've been so long, so long. Bessie. Here we have the chook pen. Over in the corner there, we've got Mummy and Daddy Geese laying on some eggs. Hopefully we'll have some baby goslings very soon. There's my little helper. Okay, so now I'm going to make a date slice. So I'm going to use my CWA cookbook and my Thermomix, which I use all the time. Put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Fire time. Hey Nova. So we've got some of the little seedlings and pop them into some pots. Okay, so that was the end of my Sunday. Hope you enjoyed watching that, and don't forget to subscribe.